On today's adventure, I'm gonna make some corned beef. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I can't wait to make this. I'm so hungry and so excited. Okay, so we have the corned beef right there. We got the bay leaves, got the beef broth, got the onion, and the cabbage. I think that's basically all I really need, except for the potatoes. So I'll go grab the potatoes real quick, and then we'll get things cut up and ready to cook. Alright, we are going to start out with the corned beef. So we're going to get this out. We're going to lay some paper towels down, like so. Hopefully that's enough. Gonna take this, cut this open. These hairy shears will let me. Alright. There we go. Wow, this thing looks divine. Should be good. Pick it up with clean hands. Put that down here. Get the packet out because we'll want that too. So set that aside. Gooey. Of course, we got Lucy behind us, my lovely assistant. All right, we're gonna pat down the corned beef and get it as dry as we can before we throw it in the crock pot. We can move that there. Move this to here. This table's a little small for what I'm doing today, but that's okay. We will make do. Crock pot right there. See if we're good. All right. Okay, I think we got this thing fairly dry. Oh yeah, so we're gonna pick up the lovely corned beef, that side up. All right, move this aside. Next thing we're gonna do is grab our onion and we're just gonna chop her up. Just basically take it like that. I caught it. Basically cut like that. I think maybe like that. There we go. And just throw the onion in like so. And we'll cut like that. Cut like that. Throw that in as well. It'll break itself up as it cooks. I'll break it up a little bit. Next, we will take the garlic and we're gonna just basically push it down like that and just kind of finely chop it. I wish I had like a little mincer, but I don't. But cut it a little bit more. Alright, that should be good. Throw that in there. Hell yeah. Alright, now I can move this here. No, I can't. I gotta. I don't even know. I've never cut a cabbage before. I don't know if we do it that way or like this. It's gotta be like this. God. I need a bigger knife. Oh my God. That ain't working. Alright, we got that. I think it's kind of a pain in the ass. I'm gonna just spin it around. As I said, I've never cut cabbage before. So I'm learning how to do this right now. Alright. Oh, we got it. We got it. Alright. Save this half for something else. We're gonna take this and we're gonna basically like that, and throw it in. Like so. Said make wedges. I'm making wedges. Ooh, it smells delicious though. Alright. Probably take the top leaf off. Alright. Kind of set that aside. Move that around a little bit. Make it a huge mess. But alright. So put that there. that there. Ooh, some more, yeah, I love it, making a mess. All right, next up, get the scissors, get the potatoes. I don't know how many I'm gonna throw in here. I don't have carrots, so no carrots, which is okay. All right, that should be good. Dump several in here. And now we're gonna take this and the measuring cup, sit that there and measure out about 1 cup. That's probably all I got left in this thing. All right, there's a cup of that. Pour this in here, like so. And then we'll take a few bay leaves and throw a few bay leaves on top and get the seasoning in here, and I think we're good. And a little bit of bay leaf there, another bay leaf. Let's do one more. One more bay leaf. That's not a good one. These bay leaves suck. Thanks, McCormick. They're all broken. What the heck? There's a couple good ones. All right, there. Perfecto. All right. We're gonna take this, cut you open. Pour that in. Huzzah! There it is. This should be ready probably around 4:15 my time. I should be home, we'll see, but yeah, it should be ready about 4:15. And I'll see you guys when this is ready. Or I may go somewhere else while this is cooking. We shall see. I don't know where the afternoon's gonna take me. But cheers, got the corned beef going right here. Very excited, first time making it. I forgot something, an important ingredient, a beer. I was told to put a beer in here and it'll make it even more delish, so. I don't have an Irish beer, so I am using Mama's Little Pills from Austria Blues. So nice light beer. Throw that in like so. Ta-da! All right, there we go. This is gonna be delicious or interesting or bad. Who knows? We'll find out together. Cheers. Well, you know, it's St. Patrick's Day when you have a green beer. I've got their Bright Ideas Keller beer. So I bastardized that German beer, made it green. Cheers. That's cool. It's green. Tracy over here, she's got a green beer too. She has the blonde ale. That's looks like the blonde was in a chlorine for a long time because the hair turned green. But yeah, the corned beef is cooking very well, about 2 hours away. So we came out here to have some beer. You want to talk about your beer? There's Tracy trying her beer. Gotcha. Smacks hot. Let's go. I will see you guys back home when I try the corned beef. Cheers. Alrighty, we have the corned beef right here with some potatoes, and we have a nice red ale, Irish style ale from Lone Tree Brewing Company. But I have a friend. I absolutely have a friend with me. Y'all remember this thing? Yeah, let's go. Let's crack open the beer. Spray it everywhere. Put this thing on top. And then we just basically pour it in. Oh my gosh. I've got a nitro red ale. Nitro red ale. See the vibration coming in. It's mostly head, but that's okay, because you know what? The biggest thing here is the corned beef. So we're gonna get in here. Oh, get that nice and tight. Got a nice little piece off. Oh. Take this, make it into a bite. Look at that. There's your corned beef. It's, oh my gosh, it's juicy. It's from that Pilsner beer. It's from the beef. Let's go. Yeah, that beer, that Pilsner, that beef broth, absolutely delicious. This beer is sitting here so frothy as hell. This thing is great. Like, this Guinness Surge thing still works like a charm. Alright, try a potato. Potato's amazing. I do get a lot of the bay leaf in there, but it's just kind of like a licorice taste. But that's very yummy. Go off another little piece of this. Oh my gosh. Oh, can't wait. Check out more corned beef. Here we go. Cheers. It's so juicy, so tasty. A little chewy, but the flavor is fantastic. Now for the Lone Tree Red Ale, Irish style Red Ale. Cheers. Very malty, way malty, very malty forward, very tasty, a little heavy for this time of the year. To have with corned beef, I would rather have like an ale or something, but that's just me. The red ale is heavy. Just give me like a Pilsner, a lager. Very tasty. Everything together, fantastic. This is great. I can eat this once a year and be very, very happy. This is a perfect meal for St. Patrick's Day. I love it, I love it, I love it. Wear your green, because come Monday, let's go. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching and keep tasting yummy foods. I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.